So our first dish has arrived, and this is prawns tempura. Here they've given some French fries, and here this is the tartar sauce. Let's try the prawns tempura. Oh, wow. Did you hear that crunch? Look at this. It's nice and warm. Lovely. It's yummy. I want you to hear the crunch of this. Now let's try it with some tartar sauce. The prawns are nice and fresh, and what you see here, this is bacon which is wrapped outside prawns, and then it's batter fried. And since this is bacon, this is cured meat, so it's slightly salty. Now the next dish that we ordered is the deep fried crab claws. This is almost like a lollipop. First, I'll just try it the way it is without any tartar sauce. You get a nice crumbly texture because it's breaded, and you can see the covering out here. And there are a good amount of spices which are added in this crab meat, and it's tasting lovely. This one is the Rawus fish and chips. Just look at this. It's a nice and flaky fish. It has mild spices in it, and it's quite enjoyable. If you like something which is mild spicy, you can have this. There's a new feature called Hype which is recently rolled out on YouTube. In case if you have enjoyed watching this video, make sure you hit that Hype button. Kaisa taste? Bada? Crab is nice. Okay. Rawus fish कैसी है?
Rawus fish is very tasty asa.
Tasty है?
Tasty asa.
Next, I've ordered pollo alla Italiano. And they serve this with French fries. So basically, I can see lots of cheese here. So this is mozzarella cheese, and there's spinach as well. I guess this is baked, and hence you can see these dark brown spots on top. So this is a baked dish. And the bottom layer which you see, this is the chicken which is breaded and deep fried. This is nicely deep fried, as you can see the crust. Look at that steam that's escaping, it's so warm. It's very cheesy, as you can see there's tons of cheese. It's very herbaceous as well, as there's so much of spinach which is added on top of this. Now next, I've ordered for this chicken deluxe burger. So you get this medium size patty, which is chicken patty, deep fried and stuffed inside. And this is the Hawaiian dressing, that's what I've been told. Color that you see here, the orange color, is a mixture of mayonnaise and some Tabasco sauce. And there are some sliced tomatoes on top. There's also lettuce here and some sliced cucumber. They've served this with some French fries and some coleslaw. Let's try the chicken deluxe burger. The burger bun is quite soft. This chicken deluxe burger didn't knock my socks off, but I'm really impressed with the other food items that I've tried out here. They were really impressive. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video till here. If you have, then please click on like and subscribe to my channel as I keep making such vlogs. Hey, hi. I'm making a video for my YouTube channel. It's called as Food Venture Folks. Are y'all visiting this place for the first time or y'all have been a frequent visitor?
For the first time.
For the first time. How did y'all get to know about this place?
Well, I work nearby,
Okay.
so this is a walkable distance from the office. That's why we are here.
Alright.
These are my friends who are visiting me.
Okay. So what have you all ordered?
Then we have ordered fish fingers,
Okay.
Chinese fries,
Okay.
and Maharaja pizza.
Okay. How is the taste?
The taste is very authentic, I would say. I like the fish fingers the best.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you.
Now next I've ordered for Seafood Sizzler. So let's take a sneak peek into their kitchen and see how that is being made. So here our sizzler just arrives at the table. This one is a seafood sizzler, and here you can see the white sauce on the top. So these are prawns out here, and then there is this is crab meat. What you see, this orange thing is the crab meat, and this bed of basa fish, which you can see just at the bottom. And then there is rice. Here there is rice. There is French fries. There are some veggies as well. So you can find carrots, cauliflower, beans, and palak as well. Let's go for this basa fillet. Wow, this it's so soft to the touch. Look how flaky this fish is. It's very moist, very soft and flaky fish. The fish is quite fresh actually. Let's try the rice. And this is white sauce, by the way, which they have poured on top of it. They've also served this white sauce here separately, and you can pour it on top of it. Let me try it out with that white sauce. This white sauce is quite peppery. I could taste good amount of black pepper in it. Mummy, sizzler kaise hai?
Sizzler very nice.
Good and taste.
बढ़िया सा taste बढ़िया सा.
Kaise hai आपका sizzler?
First class.
Hello sir, I'm making a video for my YouTube channel. It's called Food Venture Folks. I usually make food and travel related videos. How do you find food here at this cafe?
The food over here is excellent.
Okay.
I mean, what we ordered right now is only the fish.
Okay.
Fish and chips.
Okay.
So the fish is very succulent. Pasta fillet along with French fries, and the tartar sauce is pretty good. Actually, I've been a regular visitor over here, but my wife, it's the first time.
Okay.
So, I mean, during my college times, I used to order just the steak and the fillet. The fish.
Okay. So would you like to recommend the steak and the fish fillet?
Yeah, the steak is excellent too.
One of the best. Okay. All
Even
right.
the lamb chops. If you
Lamb chops. Okay. All right. Great. Thank you so much for your review.
Pleasure.
So I'm very excited to try this Australian lamb chops. The base that you see here is mashed potatoes at the bottom, and they've also told me that they've added mushrooms as well. And just look at the lamb chops. They are nicely charred on the edges. They also serve this with some pepper sauce. So this is the pepper sauce. I'm excited to pour the sauce over it, but first I want to just taste the lamb all by itself. Let's try the lamb first. The lamb is very succulent and very tender, and it's not overpowering with any kind of seasoning that they've added. Now let's try it with the pepper sauce. The pepper sauce is not spicy at all. It's very garlicky. So I found some nice chopped pieces of garlic and mushrooms right here at the bottom. And this is seasoned really well. Wow, this mashed potato is so comforting when mixed with this pepper sauce. In fact, the pepper sauce is just elevating the taste of this entire dish. Now next I've ordered for this chicken cordon bleu. And I've been told by the staff that there's chicken, ham and cheese as a stuffing that's inside this. And this one is the barbecue sauce. So that's like a thick barbecue sauce. Just check out that ham and cheese stuffing inside. Oh, that looks like a mozzarella cheese. Let's try this barbecue sauce. This barbecue sauce is amazing. It's got a nice, sweet, tangy, and a very smoky taste to it. I really love this barbecue sauce. Now the next that I've ordered is the Pizza Fiesta.
¡Vale, mariachi!
So this pizza is all mixed with these cold cuts, and you'll see sausages, ham, bacon all on top of it. All on top of this pizza, just resting. Let's take a quick bite. So that's the mozzarella cheese. That's a nice meaty pizza. Let's go for a second bite. It's so tempting. Every bite of this pizza is so gratifying. I'm really enjoying every bite of it. Now next we've ordered for this pork vindaloo, and you'll see nice big size pieces of pork here. This is a nice fatty piece. And there's good amount of oil and fat that's floating on top of it. And there are medium pieces of pork. So this pork vindaloo has a nice thick gravy, and they've served this in a basket with 2 pav. First I'm going to just try the curry. Wow, this pork vindaloo is a nice saucy and spicy curry. I really like the amount of spices that have gone into this curry, and the pork is quite tender. As you can see out here, the color is so nice, red and vibrant color of this curry. Just check that out. There are fine pieces of chopped garlic that you see on top. It's spicy and vinegary in taste, and I think they've added some ginger juliennes as well over here. I think whatever I have ordered today here at Cafe Mocambo was so soul-filling and so soul-satisfying.
Mogambo. खुश हुआ.
Except the burger, all the other dishes were really flavorful and very tasty.
क्या बोला तूने?
This is pork vindaloo and it's wonderfully prepared. If you're coming here and if you're looking for some Goan food, then this is one of the dish that you should try when you're here at Cafe Mocambo. And except that, the mutton chops were lovely, the cordon bleu and the starters that we ordered initially, all of that was quite amazing. This is the first time that I'm visiting this cafe and I thoroughly enjoyed the food, and my family members also enjoyed the food out here. So on that note, I would like to say a big thank you for watching this video, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this video till here. If you have, then please give it a like and subscribe to my channel because I keep making such vlogs, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye-bye. We are here joined by Mr.
Dennis DeMello, the manager of this place. This place, Mocambo Cafe, is a good heritage place which was started in 1960 by the Iranis Zoroastrians.
And what do you all specialize in?
During those times, we used to specialize in Parsi cuisine.
Okay.
But now, from a decade or two, it is mostly on the Italian and continental side,
Okay.
along with the Parsi cuisine as well. And there are a lot more additions to the menu, like sizzlers and Chinese grills and chops and everything.
All right. What do people prefer eating here?
People prefer eating here mostly like beef steaks, the pork chops, pastas, and nowadays, in the past 3 months, it has become like a lasagna joint. A lot of people enjoy the lasagna. We open at 11 in the morning and we shut at 12 in the night.
Nice talking to you, Dennis.
you so
Thank you so much.